Get a look at here in just a second. Let's pan back here to the north, and you can see this tornado warning storm. Here's where we've got the GRDA weather chaser and Mike Grogan here on I-35 with this tornado warning storm. And Mike, let's get out to you real quick because you've got possibly a developing tornado here. I can see the rotating wall cloud. What are you seeing right now?
Yeah, very well-defined rotating wall cloud. We're looking just to the west-northwest on Highway 11, just to the west of I-35. So we're, once again, outside the viewing area, but that well-defined wall cloud has a defined lowering, rapid rotation. At times, it's borderline a tornado. Our vantage point's a little far away, so it's tough to make out, but this thing is still drawing in an incredible amount of wind and air. That inflow is quite strong, and it's very likely we'll have something coming out as a full tornado very soon if it hasn't done so already. Also likely very large hail just beyond this part of the storm as well. But yeah, very impressive visually, a classic supercell up here just moving towards K County. Back to you.
I appreciate that, Mike. And we're going to keep your shot up here. I'm going to step in front here of your shot and kind of look at what we've got here. If we can get his shot back up, I'll step in front. So here's the wall cloud here. Now, this potentially here looks a bit more like a funnel. Again, from Mike's vantage point, they're back a little bit, and that's where we could potentially maybe have this tornado starting to form. And notice this lighter shade right here. That's just a little bit lighter shade. That's your RFD kind of cutting a little bit of the cloud base here of this storm. But this has really been wrapping up, and this raw cloud is just rotating basically like this. And again, we have got a potentially developing tornado here just to the west of I-35 from Mike Grogan's standpoint. So we'll be monitoring that storm. That's the storm that will be moving east here. Right now it is crossing over here into K County, and then again, still a ways to go here, but getting very close here to Osage and possibly Chautauqua County. We're going to have to watch this. It's moving very slow, but Mike is right there, and he'll be watching it as we go through the evening hours. Let's get you back here into downtown Tulsa, where we've got clouds sweeping here from south to north or from right to left across your screen. That's the moisture that is streaming north here. The Bob Hurley RV Weather Camera Network shaking around in those strong southerly winds. 78 degrees our current temperature. 78 has been the high temperature for today. And as we go through the evening hours, that main storm chance is going to be here mostly to the north and west. And then after midnight, these storms will come across I-44, and then they'll keep pushing to the south and to the east to the early morning hours. There will be some severe weather potential with these as they push south and east. And then tomorrow afternoon, we'll have this front still lingering in the area. Near and south of that front, we could see additional severe storms develop, but where that front lines up is still somewhat of a question. And then that front comes into play again on Saturday. Near that front, we'll have more storms develop, and perhaps even north of that front, and that will determine where the severe risk will be highest. But some severe storms likely through Saturday evening and Saturday night locally. And then still on Sunday, perhaps a chance of severe weather, but the cap at warm layer loft may come in play and limit that severe weather potential. So here we are again for tomorrow night. The main risk is going to be here to the south and east, probably more so tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening locally. Main risk for severe storms will be in southeastern parts of the state. Here's that risk as we go into Saturday evening and Saturday night. We'll monitor this potential for all threats with these storms. But again, the key here will be where that front lifts where that warm front is positioned, because where that front ends up will really determine where that highest potential for severe weather will be, and that is yet to be determined, but it will likely be somewhere across the state of Oklahoma. And then as we head into Sunday, the parameters are very high, but there will be a cap in place that could limit storm development. And then the highest risk will push off to the east on Monday, but still may linger into parts of eastern Oklahoma and eastern Kansas by Monday afternoon. So we're not quite out of the woods, at least all of us aren't, as we go into Monday. So here's a look at tomorrow's forecast. The metro likely is going to stay quiet tomorrow. Highest chance of storms will be to the south, with the severe threat highest by late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. As we roll into the weekend, again, we'll keep those storm chances going mostly to the east on Monday. Another chance of storms by the middle of next week, with perhaps some cooler weather with highs in the 60s once we get to the end of next week.